morning and welcome back to my channel, A Mom with a Camera. This is Goa vlog 3. That is the third day of us staying in Goa, and Nila is all ready. Ba? Nila ready ayo? She's all ready, I'm all ready, and we are kind of wearing the same dangri. Now we are going to the church, I guess. And from there we'll go to a restaurant, eat, and then we will head back home because we don't want to stress out Nila a lot, because 2 days continuous we have been stepping out in the heat. So afternoon, after our lunch, we will head back home, rest a bit, and then we will go out to have dinner. Okay, she has put her shoes. No, she's put her dad's shoes. So yeah, let us get ready and we will head out. What are you doing, Paru? No, I don't want.
My shoes?
This is not your shoes.
Shoes.
Yeah, this is Inky shoes. Where's your shoes? It's too hot here. Paru? She's counting stairs and coming down. Paru Bapuam. Tell hi here. ഇവിടെ 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 ഹായ് ഹിയർ വേണ്ട ഹായ് മാത്രം മതി ബാ കം ഫാസ്റ്റ് പാറു അച്ഛാ വെയിറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ യു കം വി ഗോയിങ് ഇൻ ദ കാർ അമ്മ ഇവിടെ നോക്കണം പാറു ഇവിടെ നോക്കും ഓക്കേ Okay. How long is the travel? Which church are we going to? 53 minutes. Eh, Chika? 53 minutes. You want to go to beach?
Chapel of Our Lady.
Beach പിന്നെ നമ്മളിപ്പം ഒരു ചർച്ച് പോകും. ചർച്ച് എന്തുവാ? ചർച്ച് പോകും. ഓക്കെ? അവിടെ പോയി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും?
അമ്പൂറ്റിനെ കണ്ടു തൊഴും.
യെസ്. കേട്ടോ, ഒരു അമ്പൂറ്റി ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ. അമ്പൂറ്റി കാണാം. ആ ഇവിടെ ഇല്ലല്ലേ, നീ പറിച്ചു കളഞ്ഞതല്ലേ ഇവിടുന്ന് കാറിന്ന്. Okay, so let us go. It takes around 53 minutes and yeah, that's it. ഇനെ കഴുകുന്നെന്ന് കാണാം. ബേബിനെ ബേബി ഇവിടെ കഴുകി. അപ്പി കഴുകണോ? It's not very easy. Long journeys with her. We have to keep playing with her. Alle. Baby, amma ketti pidichu. Parum baby ketti pidikyo. Ketti pidiche.
Amma babu baby.
Ketti pidiche.
Babu. Amma baby.
Okay.
Babu.
കെട്ടി പിടിച്ചേ. ഓക്കെ, ഫോൺ വിളിക്കാം. ഹലോ, who's this? You want Allah? Okay. Oh wait, what happened? Hello.
I want Allah.
You want Allah? Here. Thank you, bye. Super. Okay. Hello. You want Allah? Here you go. Bye. ശരിക്കും ബൈ. ഇത് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കും. ഇതാരാ? ഇത് തേങ്ങ. അമ്മയാണോ? ഇത് കോഴി. ഇതാണ് കോഴിയാണോ? പിന്നെ ഇഞ്ചിയാണോ ഇത്? അച്ഛ അമ്മയോ? ഇതാരാ? തേങ്ങ. പാപ്പു അല്ല, പാറു. പാറൂന്ന് പറ. We reached. we have to climb up till there. That's the church. Paru? And we climbed up on top. This is the beautiful church. And this is the view. Oh wow. Wait. Let us go check out the view. Nitin is reading all about this church. And this is the view. This is like a mini. Inky will come, Paru. It's a beautiful view. Come on, let's check out the view. Paru, come with me. Hold Amma's leg. It's beautiful. Paru? What is this? Tell, it's a church. Oh, it's a church. Come on, let's see what is inside this church. Interesting. I don't think it is opened. Wow. Wait. Let's go see what there is. Come. Hold my hand. Paru, you found a new way to drink water. Paru, bah. What happened?
No, I don't know.
Paru, are you tired? Oh, tired, Allah? It's very hot. Oh my God. Okay, now, Paru. Wow, what is this? Yeah. Where's Acha? He's coming. He is doing some research. Paru, no, you'll fall down.
Hierarchy, father around priest time and all that. So he is the highest of the lot. And that those bodies sit there. The surprising part is, it has never, like, it seems.
Yeah.
The body.
So over here you'll find St. Francis Xavier's body, and it's got brought down every 10 years. So that is what
Last
this...
it was brought down to
2014 it was last brought down, and this is the church, and this is a heritage monument which you can see. I'm not sure if you can hear my voice, but we were not allowed to take any videos inside for obvious reasons. So yeah, so it was good, and it's very hot as well. Nitin is getting ice cream for us. I just got this for tomorrow's shoot. Doesn't go with the look, but yay. A new way of drinking water. We are super tired, getting tanned, very hot in Goa. Oh my god. Now we're gonna have lunch, and let's see how the day goes. Oh my god, we're done. We're done with food. We're done with we're done with food, and what an amazing proper Goan food we had. So we had fish thali, and this restaurant is called the Spice Goa, which is located in Bapusa. And Bapus, correct. Bapusa, correct. So it's amazing. I would recommend this place to everyone out there. If you're coming to Goa and want to have proper Goan food, this is the place, guys. It's amazing. She and her Rala. Hello. Your Allah. Where is it? You woke up. Good morning, and look at her drinking juice. Juice. And we will give her one bonda. Oh, yummy. Oh, so happy you are. Amma, I'll have molaga bhaji. You have bonda. Why are you so happy? No wonder. Eating chips. Yummy. Yummy. You're hungry? We'll go to a hotel and have, okay? Thank you. Paru, what are you doing? She is watching him cook. Oh. Super duper tired. We just reached back home. So the thing is, most of the food eating videos or clips I can't put because she'll be watching Chuju TV on my phone, so I can't record. Today was really tiring because Goa is absolutely hot, and we've been continuously stepping outside, but today we kind of relaxed at home, so we are even more tired. Paru tired. She's getting enough sleep, so she is bindas. What are you doing? Appa, see you guys for the next vlog, and that will be day 4. Day 4 Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day 3. I'm so confused which vlog it will be. But anyways, see you guys for the next vlog. And I'm super tired. I might doze off, not sure. I have super range issues. So till then, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, with a camera. So please do subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Bye.